this video is I love your style. I'm Melissa the Buckeye Girl, and I would like to wish the host, Creating with Miss K, a very happy birthday. Hope you have a great day, girl. You know I love you. And the co-host is Design to a T, Shauna on the Spot, Creative with Simone, Gigi's Fashion for the Love of Decor, Inspired by Chanel, Lady Cinnamon, Mary Kay's Happy Home are all our co-hosts. And the person that I picked, that I love their style, and I always wondered if I could do it in my house because, to be honest, I live in a farmhouse in Ohio. But I tried her style and I actually love it in my little farmhouse. It works perfectly and it would be great for Christmas time. So you may see me decorating more with her style, her style too, especially on some of my videos. So okay, the person I picked and that I love their style is Really Good Living Lady Phoenix, because everything's so beautiful and elegant. And I hope I did you justice. And if I didn't, I'm sorry. But I still loved how it turned out. So here's my video. Isn't it so beautiful? Yes, I chose to do Christmas because I always wondered, I always loved how Lady Phoenix's Christmas decor looked. And I always wondered if it would work in my farmhouse. And as you can see, this is my entryway table, and I think it works perfectly. And I got everything on the table but these two deer, 90% off after Christmas, which makes it even better. Even the little ornaments. And I love the two Christmas trees. I think they just are so pretty. And the white deer, is my absolute favorite. I hope this does you justice, Lady Phoenix, a Really Good Living. But this is my interpretation of your design because I love your style.